Hello students, a very good afternoon to everyone. Hope you all are fit and fine at home. Now let's start with the new chapter, pictographs, that is chapter number 14. You must be studied about this in your previous class. So let us see what is pictograph. Pictograph means what? The table which represents pictures or icons which gives information about some data is called as pictographs. Pictographs are also called as pictograms. So now here one table is given. It is there in your textbook. Open your textbook, page number 79. This table gives the information of 3 bowlers and the runs and the wicket taken by the bowlers. And the scale is also given that one picture is equal to 1 over. Here how many pictures are there? Total 9 pictures are there. That means 9 overs. And one picture is equal to 6 balls. Okay, if I take 2 pictures, that will become 12 balls. So according to this, we have to answer the questions of the, in the textbook it is given. Just see the question. About how many bowlers does the table give information? Here how many bowlers are there? 3 bowlers. So the answer for first question is, this table gives information of 3 bowlers. Okay, now let's see the second question. Who gave away the most run? Most means highest. Who had made the highest run over here? Ramakant, who had scored 20 runs. So write down the answer. Ramakant scored highest run or the most runs. Let's see the third question. How many overs did Chandrakant bowl? Only we have to find out for Chandrakant that how many overs he had bowled. We know that in one picture there is 1 over. How many pictures had here? There are 4 pictures. 1, 2, 3, 4. That means how many overs? 4 overs. Just write down. Therefore, Chandrakant bowled 4 overs. Okay, now let's see the fourth question. How many wickets did Ramakant take? Okay, how many wickets are taken by Ramakant? The Ramakant is here. There is no wicket. So write down 0 wickets. He has not taken any wickets. You can write no wickets or 0 wickets. Now let's go for next question. Fifth one. How many balls did Ahmed bowl? Okay, now we know that in one picture there are 6 balls. We have to find out how many balls did Ahmed bowl. Okay, so for Ahmed how many pictures are given? 3 pictures are given. And one picture is 6 balls. 6 plus 6 will be 12. 12 plus 6 will be 18. That means Ahmed bowled 18 balls. Just write down. Ahmed bowled 18 balls. Now let's see the next question. How many runs did Chandrakant give? Okay, how many runs are given by Chandrakant? Here the runs is 18. So write down. Chandrakant had given 18 runs. Okay, now let's see the 7th question. How many overs were bowled all together? We have to find out the total over bowled by 3 bowlers. We know that in one picture there is 1 over. So how many pictures total we have? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. There are 9 pictures. That means the total over will be 9 overs. Just write down 9 overs. Now let's see the 8th question. Who gave away the least run per over? Least means the smallest number of runs. Who had given? That is 12. Among these 3, 12 is less now. The least run is given by Ahmed. Just write down the answer. Ahmed gave the least run. Hope you understood this. You have to write all these question answers in your notebook. Okay students, now let's start with problem set number 52. Here the first question we have. Stocks of various types of grains stored in a warehouse are given below. Make a pictograph based on the information given. We have to draw a pictograph. You can use any picture I'm going to draw a smiley for this. Okay, now before starting this, we have to see the number of sets. What is given here? 40, 56, 8, 32. We have to check that whether all these numbers are divisible by the same number. Yes, correct. We know that these all numbers are divisible by 8, or these all numbers are the multiples of 8. They goes in 8's table. So here we are going to use a table of 8. What we will do? First check for 40. When it goes in 8's table, 8 5s are 40. Huh? So here we will write 5s are. And 56, 8 7s are 56. We will write 7 here. And it will be 1s are. 8 1s are 8. And this will be 8 4s are 32. So which table I have used here? The table of 8. So how we will write the scale? One picture is equal to the table which I have used, that you have to write the 8's table. Now, so here we will take 8, and this is about sets. So one picture is equal to 8 sets. Now let's draw the picture. Here we have 5. So how many pictures we will draw? 5 pictures. We'll draw 5 pictures. And here we have 7. Draw 7 pictures. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And here we have 1. That means we have to draw only one picture. Here we have 4. So draw 4 pictures. You can give the shape to this, a smiley. You can use any picture, but in all the column you have to use the same pictures. Okay. Hope you understood this. The first step, you have to find out the multiple, that common multiple in which table it will go, and then after that you have to write this one and draw the pictures according to this number. And the most important is scale. You have to write this. Okay students, let's see the second question. Information about the various types of vehicles in Vargaon is given below. Make a pictograph of for this data. Now what is given in this table? The types of vehicles are given, that is bicycle, two-wheeler, four-wheeler, heavy vehicles and tractors. And the number of vehicles are also given. For bicycle we have 84, and for two-wheeler it is 60, and for four-wheelers it is 24, and heavy vehicle is 12, and tractors it is 24. Now just find out in this table all these numbers are going. It goes in 12's table, correct. So it is a multiple of 12. We are going to use a table of 12. Okay, 12 के table में 84 कब जाता है? That is 12 sevens are. The 16, that is 5s are. And the 24, it will be 2s are. 12 1s are. And again it is 12 2s are. 12 2s are 24, 12 1s are 12, 12 2s are 24, 12 5s are 60, 12 7s are 84. Just after writing this, we have to write the scale. Okay, we are going to draw a picture for this. So we will consider that your one picture is equal to which table we have used here? 12. So one picture is equal to 12 vehicles. Let's draw the pictures. For bicycle we have number 7. So we will draw 7 pictures. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. For two-wheeler we have 5 pictures we have to draw. And here we will draw 2 pictures. And for heavy vehicles we will draw only 1 picture. Again here we will draw 2 pictures. You can draw smiley for this. You can draw any picture, but just see that same picture you have to use for this question. In this way you have to draw a pictograph for the given information. Hope you understood the second question. Okay students, let's see the third question. The number of various books kept in a cupboard is in the school library are given below. Make a pictograph showing the information given. Here we have the books, that is science, sports, poetry, literature and history. The number of books are given. For science it is 28 and for sports 14 books, and for poetry it is 21 books, literature 35 and history is 7 books. We have to find out the common multiple, that is in which table these all numbers are going in 7 tables. So these all are the multiple of 7. When it goes that we have to write here. Okay, now let's write down. 7 4s are 28 and 7 2s are 14. 7 3s are 21. 7 5s are 35. 7 1s are 7. So after writing all these things, we have to draw pictures according to this number. Before that, let's write the scale. We will draw one picture for how many books? 7 books. Why we have taken 7 here? Because we have written the table of 7. So we will write one picture is equal to 7 books. Now let's draw the pictures. First here we have 4. So draw 4 pictures. Here we have 2. Draw 2 pictures. Here we have 3. Draw 3 pictures. And then 5. The last one is 1. Draw only one picture. Just draw the smileys. Okay, this is the simplest way to show the information by using a tabular or pictograph method. Hope you understood this chapter. Students, complete all the questions of problem set number 52 and the questions which are given on the page number 79. That also you have to complete in your book. If you have any doubts regarding this, you can ask in doubt clearing.